Welcome. If you want to get lighting edges on your ZTE Blade 10 Prime, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type lighting edges. Let's get this application. Edge Lightning Border Light Live Wallpaper. Click open. We have to tap on the switcher to display over other apps. Click here, then just go back. Move back to the application. Okay, and as you can see right now, we can change the color of it. Just go back. Right. So we have to go for your favorite. Here we can also set the background, but we are going to skip this one. But for example, we can set this. Oh, here we get also other. So let's go for the permission, click allow. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, we can maybe apply this one. So click apply, then we can go back, and as you can see, it looks really cool. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.